What if the only thing stopping you is you? What if the life you dream of is trapped, hidden beneath layers of old habits and fear? It's time to face a hard truth. You are your own biggest obstacle. But here's the good news. You are also your most powerful weapon. This is your wake-up call. It's time to rebuild yourself, destroy the old you, and unleash your true potential. The first step is brutal but necessary demolition. Those comfortable habits, the ones holding you back, smash them. That negative self-talk, silence it. You've outgrown the old you. It's time to shed that skin and step into your power. This is about more than just change, it's about a complete reconstruction. Every belief, every routine, every toxic relationship, put it all on the chopping block. Many fear solitude. They crave constant noise, distraction, company, but solitude is where true growth takes root. Discomfort is where you find your strength. Embrace the quiet, confront your weaknesses, learn to rely on yourself. In the absence of external validation, you discover your own worth. This is not about becoming a recluse, it's about building an unshakable foundation of self-reliance. Strength from struggle. Don't shy away from struggle. Lean into it. Pain is inevitable, but defeat is a choice. Each challenge, each setback is an opportunity to grow stronger, to develop resilience that others can only envy. This is where you forge your mental toughness. Remember, the greatest victories are often born from our toughest battles. When you push past your limits, you discover reserves of strength you never knew you possessed. Building a new you. Now, rebuild. Establish a routine that empowers you. Surround yourself with positivity. Fuel your mind with knowledge and inspiration. This is not a passive process. This is about actively taking control of your life. Choose to be disciplined. Choose to be positive. Choose to be relentless in your pursuit of growth. You are not defined by your past. You are defined by what you do today. Start now. No excuses. The new you is waiting.